Kajingmi kasur upat ba ki badai gi nong shong snong ka jala ban mudoi bat ban kan tho persha ye karukom yat bahe lani ka VIP culture na kalyang jong menteri rang ba ka jala ulapan bana ba ka Sorkar shan kan sawanra da ka thop ki kendon lani ka standard operating procedure SOP na ka banta ka jing penon kam ya ki siren ki yet yong bat ki flickering light. Ketika jingpen bana menteri rangba kami ru haka jo kapor bagi menteri Sorkar kilapan kesan yakinia jongki bat kata ka VIP culture ki baken thop yo sembut menteri rangba uba snyau balang dhar baru ba pol lingdo haka bedai bagi jingdan kam bandon ya ka SOP haka jing shisha ka Supreme Court of India na ka snam shakisnam kum house nam arajar khat lai arajar khat nyo kala dap ban Bthah ya ki jilla bat ki union territories halor ka jing pendon kam ya ki light saw ki siren bat ki wei ki light bat ru ban manager ya ki tu ki bapen ken ya ka Central Motor Vehicle Act kat kandai spa prapupra bat ka motor vehicle rules kat kandai spa prapukandai kumjuru kala don ke jingpen kobor ya ki officer pulit kentop ki traffic police bat ki officer ka motor vehicle department ban penti kena ba ki nong pen ken ya ki rule klam da ken la ki don ha ka kerdan ayu ki dei ban sha pen ha ba po ka an bat ki jingpen saja kat kum ka an kadai kamat ka basngau khia bat kani ka surupat ba kala pau perthai ha ka tayo ka Ladep hadien ka wei ka jingja sha tanra ka wei ka thok ha ka bala kenno ba ka batanra kadai ka kali pulet ka basenran yo wei menteri Sorkar uba pol lingdo bat kumjuru ka jing tho na ki riushimet halor ka jing yat ba he ki kali ki ba penpa siren ha ki sngi badon ka tamasa cherry blossom kata ha ka khat san bat khat riu tarik unai wing ar pusau haba penbena halor ka jingtmu ka Sorkar ban Wanrah da ka standard operating procedure SOP na ka bentab ka jingpenon kam yaki siren ki yet yong bat flickering light knang ban Wanrah jingthot yaki pat ba ha ka let ka wan ula ong bakum menteri rang ba ula yo priang shibun ki jingmudoi bat ki jingkan tho na ki nong shong snong ka ba usngo thu ki pat ba ki persha ya ka rukom yat ba he lani ka VIP culture Menteri rang ba ula pentib bakala don ke jialang hakatayo baladam baruba prestun tensong usumbut menteri beri pet ya ketenat kampo yeng u chief secretary bat DGP bat la Bthah ya ketenat kampo yeng ban Wanrah da ka thop ki kendon ya ka ba an sayatai haka jialang kenhun menteri ban Shimrai.
I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is, of course, a matter of concern, but we also have to look at it from multiple angles. There is a concern for security and safety, which should not be mixed with the aspect of culture as such. But safety and security is one aspect, which is something that we personally feel is important, should not be compromised. But if that particular safety and security concern becomes more of a attitude and it is used in a wrong way, then I think that is what really is the problem. Therefore, it is important for us to regulate it in the right way. And just last week, we had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge home and all the other officials, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, and we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and who can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented and done as per the SOP. So therefore steps are being taken. By next week we will be bringing that to the cabinet, and we will be creating a very strict SOP as to who can and who cannot use these different sirens or glasses, tinted glasses or flickering lights, and where and when it can be used and how it should be used. But again, as I said, the matter of also security and safety also is a concern. There are protocols that need to be followed for Z plus category, Z category, Y category, and these are defined protocols which again cannot be compromised. So therefore, those aspects need to be balanced. And as I mentioned, keeping the safety and security matter in front of us, we will work towards ensuring that this safety and security is not again abused in a manner in which it becomes a nuisance to the public. So the balancing of these two is what is required, and we hope that through this SOP that will be coming out very soon, which we will be passing in the cabinet, we should be able to minimize the inconvenience caused to the people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Wanrah Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.